Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make Gajer ka achar, pickled carrot. It's a widely used condiment in Pakistani and Indian dishes. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'm making a huge batch because I'll be sharing with my friends and families. You can adjust to your needs. I bought a 5-pound bag of carrots. I trimmed the top and the bottom portion of the carrots and then carefully scrubbed each carrot. It's time consuming, but it's the best way I know how to clean carrots. And then I washed it thoroughly, the whole bunch, and let it sit for a few minutes. Cut the carrots in 2 to 3 inch sections, and then each section you slice in thin strips. Again, time consuming, but absolutely worthwhile. I lay the carrots on the baking tray and keep it outside in sun for it to dry out the moisture for about 5 to 8 hours. You don't want it to shrivel up too much as then it'll become chewy. You can skip the green chilies if you like, but my husband loves hot food, so I'm going to be adding chilies in my carrot achar. So I will be washing it thoroughly and slicing about the same length as the carrots. I will put this out in the sun for a few hours as well. So the carrots have been drying for about 5 hours and I'm going to bring it in. I think this is enough. And the green chilies are ready too. They were out for about 6 hours. I'm in California and it's month of July, so it was perfect timing, but during cold weather it may take a little longer. I'm using about 9 bulbs of garlic. Yes, that's a lot, but I am making a lot of achar. You can absolutely adjust the quantity. Garlic is so aromatic, and when infused with oil, it takes the achar to the next level. After peeling each garlic clove, I slice it thinly. Garlic is good for your heart and for your immune system, so use it, a lot of it. In a nice big pot, put about 3.5 cups of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil, and heat it up a little, and then add your garlic. I'm going to be using achar masala, 2 packets of this. You can use 1 packet or 1.5. You'll have to adjust to your taste. Make sure the garlic doesn't burn, and about 5 minutes you can add the achar masala and stir very well so it incorporates the garlic and the oil. Let the oil and achar masala and garlic come together for at least 5 to 7 minutes. And then I'm going to add carrots and green chilies in batches. Since it's a lot, I want to make sure that everything gets mixed in with the masala pretty well. So I'm going to do it in small batches. And at some point, I noticed that oil was not enough, so I added about half a cup more of canola oil. Keep stirring and adding your balance of the carrots and the green chilies and stir it very well. You want to make sure the masala covers everything. And then just let it sit for a few hours and you'll see everything is just incorporated really well. I found nice containers and put cute sticker on it and put this in batches and distribute it to my friends and families. Hope you'll try this recipe. Happy cooking!